are you doing?
Oh, I'm just sitting here looking at all this pile of stuff because I got it. Look, I have this suitcase. I'm ready to go to RA and oh Lord, I've got all this stuff that I need to put in here and whew.
Looks like you've already started
I
putting
do.
trash bags
I
in there.
got trash bags in here.
We'll be ready on the RA form
Yeah.
then. You know, I was just making my list of things to go, so let's go over the things
Okay,
that we might need.
what do you got?
All right, so your registration. You registered online, but you got an email
I did.
that confirms that, so you need to make sure that you have access to that.
Okay, I've got it right here.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Oh,
You know what?
What?
I had to look in my junk email to find it because once I registered, I never did get the confirmation, and I went to my
and
junk.
it was in your junk.
It was in my junk.
I hate it when things
I
are
know,
in your
it's
junk.
in my junk.
All right, so, you know, we're gonna be at a convention center,
Yeah.
so you never know what the temperature's gonna be. So, dress in layers. What do you have that you can dress in
Oh
layers?
man, I have a sweater.
Okay.
I have a sweater. I left it in my office, but I have a sweater, so
Okay.
I will make sure I bring a sweater.
Pack sweater, you know,
Yeah,
it's
it
better
gets
to
cold.
pack in
Yeah.
to wear layers, because you can always take off a layer to a certain point.
I like a pashmina too.
Yeah,
a wrap.
yeah, a little wrap.
Those are good. They look great on guys too.
But, you
Good
know,
guys
the
like.
temperature in Houston is hot and muggy. So, you know, you're gonna wanna take things that you can be comfortable in. And, you know what,
So not like these shoes?
oh girl, you
Oh,
will wear
come
a blister
on.
something fierce.
Look,
if
I
you-
got these. How about those?
Always have those to change into.
Okay.
Some good running shoes, walking
Oh,
shoes.
yeah.
Because we are far away from the convention center and it is a far walk even to our seats in the convention center.
Okay, well, yeah.
All right, so comfy shoes.
Okay.
And so, you know, people wear everything from a suit and tie to shorts and a t-shirt. So, you know, you and I are more business casual.
Right.
But our delegates, they can be as casual as they want to.
Right.
So you should pack things that are appropriate for what you're going to be doing there.
And probably comfortable because we're sitting in those seats for quite a
12
while.
hours
Yeah.
sometimes.
Yeah.
6 in the morning until
Definitely.
6 at night.
Yeah.
All right. And then 4th of July, what are you going to do on 4th of July?
Well, let's see. 4th of July, I've already got some things laid out at home. Maybe some little sparkly head thingies, you know, little remember
Red,
that
white, and blue,
headband?
little banglies.
Definitely my red, white, and blue will be snazzed out. Not as much as some people go big or go home on the red, white, and blue.
Are you gonna be the Star Spangled Banner queen?
Probably not, but I will have one red, white, and blue.
All right. So dress for 4th of July. And then, you know, we have Wear Red for Ed Day on July 5th. So do you have something
I
that
do.
you can wear
Look,
red for Ed?
I could even like do this.
Oh, that is
or
awesome.
This, because look, it's my red for Ed bandana.
It is your
I
red
had
for Ed
last year.
bandana. Good
So
job.
I do have that.
Okay.
You know, it burns my skin, but I wear it anyway with pride.
Red is pride. It's an awesome color, right? Boomer Sooner. All right. And wear your OEA shirt for July 7th. Now, we
That
don't-
is such a cool looking shirt.
It is a good looking shirt. It's got red sleeves, gray middle, kind of that baseball style with a buffalo in it. Oklahoma Education Association, established whenever. So make sure you pack your OEA shirt. And then electronics. You know, we burned through some battery
I got my battery, I got my
assembly.
cord.
Okay, get all that in.
That.
Pack it. Mophie, is that what it's called?
Yep, something
And
like
a charge
that.
stick.
And the cord that goes with it.
Yeah, make sure you have the
Yeah.
cords. They have charging stations there, but you cannot just leave your phone there
Right.
because phones have gotten stolen from those charging stations. So if you have your own stuff to back up your battery, that's good. And then snacks
Ooh.
and drinks.
Snacks.
Those are my favorites.
I know. Well, okay, maybe I like these two. And then I definitely have my water bottle because they have refillable water stations there as well.
Yes, so we want to
one
reduce
can
our
do
carbon
that.
footprint. So snacks are always a good idea.
Yeah.
There's a snack bag that goes around. We'll talk about that later. But if you bring your own snacks, that's also a cost savings. And you never know what the weather's really going to
Oh, I got my slicker, good. I have that, it's waterproof, so that's good because we are in Houston and it is July and you never know what tropical
be.
storms
And you never
coming
know,
through.
tropical depression.
And my umbrella, so
Yes.
you know what, Alicia, I think I'm pretty well set.
All right, fantastic.
I
Well, you're ready to go.
am, And I even have my NEA member benefits luggage tag on there too. So.
Awesome. So you're ready to go, and we hope that this video helped our delegates know a little bit about what to pack for Representative Assembly this year.
See you in Houston.